Hi everybody, of course you know that I'm always about creating really yummy and fun, unique cakes. That's why Fortnite fans, Battle Royale fans, rejoice. We have created the Loot LLama Supply Cake. This thing is huge. It is 4 layers of cake, and then I use Rice Krispie treats to make the neck as well as the head. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Here's how you make it. First, you want to create a bottom for your cake and then cut 4 layers of cake, fill it with buttercream frosting in between. This is going to be the body of your Loot LLama. Put lots of buttercream frosting all the way around, and what I like to do then is put it in the fridge or the freezer and get it really hard, and then that way you can really even it out. Next, you create those colors by mixing white with your purple and then white with your blue. Now I'm taking my Rice Krispie treats to make the neck, molded it there, and do another batch for the head. And you kind of, once it's molded together, you're going to cut it out on both ends and shape it so you have the head, and kind of make sure it matches there. Now cut the bottom off for the mouth, and then you're going to attach another bottom to it for the mouth. Use your little leftover pieces for the ears. Now what we want to do is cover the body with fondant, that purple color, and also cover your head, your neck, and your ears. This is the part that takes a lot of time. Rolled out some of the fondant, different colors, the colors of the Loot LLama, and you create kind of those ruffles around it, and you start from the bottom, use a little water on your fingers to make it stick, and work all the way up and all the way around, and there you have your body of your Loot LLama. Next, do the same thing on the neck, and I just followed a picture of the Loot LLama and used those same colors and went all the way up the neck just like that. And now it's time to do the head. I took the ears and attached those with skewers that I broke in half, and I cut some brown to make the harness around the Loot LLama. Anytime it won't stick, just use some water on your fingers. Now it's time for the nose, the nostrils that is. Attach those there as well. And I rolled out the eyes. Put a little black dot, rolled dot in the middle, and attached it that way. And here's where you're going to use some toothpicks to kind of hold it up so it doesn't slide off. I did that 2 right there on the other side. And just keep in mind when you are serving the cake, let people know that there are some toothpicks and some skewers in there as well. Now I cut out and put the saddle on it. That was cut out with brown fondant as well as white fondant, and it fit over the side just like that. Now once your body is done, I took some skewers, put it in the front, and I just cut those skewers in half, and that's going to support the neck. You really want to make sure that that's stable, and one great suggestion is make sure you freeze your cake so it's nice and solid when you attach your neck and your head, and then you can let that cake kind of thaw out before you serve it. It'll do that in a short period of time. Now we're putting on the neck. Look how neat that looks. And more skewers for the head. Gonna gently attach that head. This is a really great process if you want help from somebody. I also, when it came to the lower jaw of my Loot LLama, I covered that with fondant as well, then a little black for the tongue, and then I attached some teeth in there. course, I want to make some more Fortnite cakes in the future, so give me a thumbs up if you want me to, and comment below and tell me what you want me to make in the future.